Hey man, that's a really cool new iPhone you got there. Which is that the new one, Steve Jobs version? No, silly, it's the Texas Instrument TI-1200 calculator. You can do numbers on here. Can't make phone calls, silly.
Another great thrift store find for $2. We got ourselves a Texas Instrument TI-1200, but not just the TI-1200. No, act now, and it also included the AC9 180 adapter, the official adapter of Texas Instruments. Oh. The only downside is it uses a lot of power. So if I was to put in my handy dandy Radio Shack 9-volt battery, it would drain it in probably, I don't know, a half an hour. But luckily I have the AC9180 Texas Instrument official adapter, so you can run it all day, all night, do your taxes, do your exams, cheat at school for doing your math homework. It does addition, it does subtraction, multiplication, and yes, it is percentages. It's amazing. Alrighty. Let's power this thing up and see how much fun we can have with it. Haha, look at that. We got power. It was dangerous. I plugged this in and I seriously thought I was going to rip a hole in the space-time continuum. Like Captain Picard would come shooting out of here. We'd have to get some, whatever they get in Star Trek. Tachyon beams. Tachyon beams in my eyeball! We got life. A little LED. I don't know if you can see that there. Got 0. Let's see how many characters we got. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, no 9. Oh, but we got a decimal place. Clear that out. Clear that out and go 45.23. Oh, I got a decimal point. Plus 63.5 equals. Hey! Oops. Hey, take your calculator at home and confirm that that number is correct. It probably is. 4 times 4 should be 16, right? Sweet. See? That public education is paying dividends right at this point. So let's try 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. That's absolutely correct. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I should try my Radio Shack battery. I don't want to drain this battery though. The power on this comes from the early 90s, and tapping into that power might actually rip a hole in the space-time continuum. I don't know what much else to do with this thing. Maybe spell some dirty words and put it upside down. It's a calculator. And 45 times 5 equals. It seems to work great. I mean, for what it is, you could go to Dollar Tree and certainly buy one that can do 1,000 times, but basically the same thing this can do. You know, at the same time at the thrift store, I also found this guy. There's a little TI-55-2, which outguns this 10 to 1. You know. But as far as vintage, I don't even know what to do with this thing. I just like to hold on to it to show your kid and say, this is what it was like when I was your age. We used to have to carry this in my back pocket and walk back and forth from school 10 miles uphill both ways. It's like, oh yeah, Dad. Well, I had to dodge gunshots. You got me, son. But 78 times 9. Look how awesome this thing is. This is just amazing 80s technology from the Wizards, and it's just shocking. Made in the USA. Whew. That is amazing. Oh, and it even tells you right here how to use it. Can you imagine that? Like now it's a second nature, but when you actually bought this, it would go like to add and subtract. 4 plus 6, you have to hit those keys. To multiply. You know, how to add a percent. Actually, I don't know how to do that on this calculator, but you can do a percent. And a discount percent. Oh, you know, usually I'd go, hey Siri, what's 20% off of $3.80? Like when you're out bargain hunting. but this can do a discount. So if you 20 minus 5% equals, that's what it looks like. Okay, let's try it. 40 minus 5 would be 5% of 40%. Minus 2, I don't know. Maybe not. It's a little hard to read. I give it that. Let's just try it. 20 minus 5% equals. Maybe I forgot to hit equals. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. See, I'm glad they have instructions. I was making fun of this, and here I needed instructions. So, if something is selling, clear this out. I'm having way too much. I ended up having way too much fun with this. Can you believe it? Something is selling for $19.99.99, and it's 50% off. So go minus 50% equals $9.99 and a half a penny. Holy crap, that works! And I didn't even have to say, "Hey Siri." Imagine that. Hey. So it actually got the number right. That's pretty cool. So I'm actually impressed by this. Cool. I wouldn't say 80s. This has got to be late 70s technology. I cannot find a date, but make a comment if you know what date these were released, because I can't find a date on here. But anyways, I've had fun showing this thing, and it's actually impressed me with its capabilities, and I hope it impressed you. And if you should find one of these, buy it up and save it for your kids and future generations. Thank you, and good night.